Hello guys, welcome to our channel Sky Point Apparatus. Today we are here with the StarSense Explorer telescope. Yes, the StarSense Explorer telescope, those telescopes which are used for observing planets and stars with very ease. We have four different models with great qualities. All are available at our site www.skypoint.in in very affordable price, and we all assure you will love them. The first telescope is Celestron StarSense Explorer DX102 AZ refractor telescope. When you open your StarSense Explorer, you will be surprised by finding all its things. First of all, the azimuth mount, slow motion controls, then 102 reflector optical tube, StarSense dock for your smartphone. Yes, it have that smartphone feature. It means you have an StarSense app for your help and have many more features. Yeah, it's amazing, but it don't stop here. Please continue. It has many more things and a whole package for you. Please feel free to our website. This is our second StarSense Explorer. This unleashed the power of a smartphone and you can explore the whole sky without a real experience, without any telescope. It will guide you at every point, best for beginners to experts. StarSense Explorer app automatically generates a list of objects currently visible. View planets, brighter nebulae, galaxies, stars, clusters, and double stars from the city. Or take your telescope to darker skies to view faint, deep sky objects. These are its specs. It is optically designed reflector with an aperture of 80 mm and focal length of 900 mm with two eyepieces of 10 mm and 25 mm. As its focal length with magnification of 36x and 90x, it has many qualities. Here are some of them. So this is our third StarSense Explorer, the LT114 AZ refractor telescope. It comes with the different features. This innovative integration of a smartphone and telescope offers a beginner astronomers a fast and a more easy way to discover what's up in the night sky and where to view it. Utilizing similar alignment technology that satellites use when they move out of position, the StarSense Explorer app uses your phone's camera to stream a constant series of images and compare them to internal database to identify the star field and determine its location. It has various features such as aperture of 114 mm, focal length of 1000 mm, max magnification of 269x and minimum of 16x, and an eyepiece of 2100x, etc. you can see on the screen. These are the only few qualities of this telescope. It has many and much more things with it. It is the best for any astronomer for a good start. This is our last but not least only telescope, the first telescope that uses your smartphone to analyze the night sky and calculate its position in real time. The StarSense Explorer is ideal for beginners thanks to the app user-friendly interface and detailed tutorials. It's like having your own personal tour guide of the night sky. With StarSense Explorer, locating objects have never been easier, faster, or more accurate. Within minutes of setting up the telescope, you will be navigating the sky with confidence. Simply place your phone in the unique StarSense dock and launch the StarSense Explorer app. After aligning your phone to the telescope's optics, StarSense Explorer generates a list of celestial objects currently visible. Make your selection and arrow appear on screen, guiding you as to move to the telescope. When the object is ready to view, the bull's eye turns green. Great na? Yes, after all, some of its specifications are. There are only some of its qualities. We provide complete additional accessories for telescopes and binoculars for all these products, and if you like any product you can purchase it from our website www.skypoint.in, and feel free to visit our website for more information about each and every product. We also have delivery services. We Skypoint Apparatus supply all models, all brands, OEM product of telescopes, binoculars, sporting scopes, and all complete accessories available on best prices. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe our channel.